There's one. Got one.
Now, because this is the first fish of the video, but
what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Double F Outdoors. We are back again, guys. This is the continuation of Fishing Friday. We're seeing Scott and it's not Friday. I told y'all his face was gonna pop up in some different videos. Guys, we literally just finished shooting the last Fishing Friday with Scott. Friday's video, you guys watched it. We stayed. We're still here. And we're about to fish the rest of this pond. Because we've literally only stayed in these two spots and caught all those fish. Yeah. We're even gonna get Scott to move. He doesn't know that yet, but I'm gonna make a move. Because we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna try some stuff out. Bluegill are still moving around, guys. I'm gonna go flip some more. Thanks for coming along. Guys, congratulations to the giveaway winner. Your name is in the description. Get a hold of me on social media. Follow me on Instagram, links below. We will get that stuff to you. Scott, any words of wisdom before we get this party started?
congrats, man.
Yeah, congrats. Dude, enjoy those baits, bro.
Yeah, get you know, and everybody else, you know, join those. Get in those giveaways.
We're gonna start doing a lot more of those giveaways.
Giving away some really good stuff.
Scotty,
stuff that we're not gonna give something away if we wouldn't fish with it ourselves.
Scotty and I are gonna come up with the next giveaway, and Scotty's gonna pick the next giveaway winner. But once again, congrats, man. Guys, let's get this party started. There's fish to catch. I see some big ones still. Let's get it. Still fishing with this punching rod with this Missile D-bomb. Why would I switch those? The thing right now. Because bass are chomping it. Oh, there's one. On cue and he missed. Oh, shoot. That was on cue, dude. Let's see if I can't get him to come back. Got that fish on that shore. And guys, we've been talking about how we haven't been getting soft plastic bites here. Maybe we just didn't have a big enough rig set on. I mean, I am like punching through all this stuff and they are just creaming it in it. Ooh, there was a big old swell of something. You see that? It didn't even break the top, but look at the water rings from that swell. Do you see it? You see the...
You know, I'm happy to be here. Happy to get to fish. I don't get to do it nearly as often as I would like to, that's for sure. Gotta fix that. And who knows? I mean, we'll, especially as this, you know, as it becomes summer, I might come around a lot more rather than just on Fishing Fridays. So stay tuned for that. For those of you who are watching this one, who watched episode 3 of Fishing Fridays with Scott, hopefully that's all of you. If you are watching this video now and haven't watched Fishing Fridays episode 3, go do that now, because this is the first fish of the video. Hey. But this is number 6 on the day, and I know what you're thinking, because this is a tiny little bluegill. I did not catch 6 bluegill. It is real tiny. This is actually only my 3rd bluegill of the day. 4th bluegill of the day. The other 2 I caught were bass. Well, he's not getting back in there. Well, he might. Oh, I'm gonna have to help him out. No, I'm gonna have to help him out. He spurred me. I've not been able to get this guy. I've had something out at this distance all day and nothing. Flip this tree though. We're gonna
Flip the tree. See what there is to find. Got one. Had to let him have it for a long time, man. He came back like 3 times. That was a decent sized one. Woo, he's a thick chunker, bro. You see that? Probably another pound. Man, I wish I was fishing a tournament today, though.
So for those of you count at home, with that one Neil just caught, we have pulled a total of 12 fish out of the pond today. We've each gotten 6. Both of us are super close on a 7th. We have had a successful day, to say the least. If this is your first Double F Outdoors video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed and are one of our faithful subscribers, go ahead and hit that bell, get that notification bell on, and we'll get you a notification every time we post a video. And yeah. So you can see them when they drop.
All right, this is my last little clip. I've only got 13 minutes left. 13 minutes of film left. We are going to cast up ahead. Right near where all these trees. Here. There's one. There's one. And all that stuff right there, that's where they've been all day. Woo! He's a little chunkier. What's that, 7? Whew.
Most.
Guys, I just caught this guy. Another solid fish on that D-bomb. All right, guys, as you guys can tell, it was a phenomenal day. Scotty, was it not a phenomenal day?
Such a fun day.
This was part 2. Part 2. This is the continuation of Fishing Fridays with Scott, because we decided to stay after. I ended up catching, what, 3 more? I caught that 5th one right before we cut the video.
So three more.
Caught 3 more for me. That ended up with 8. He caught 2 more. I caught all mine on that missile D-bombs. Guys, just real quick. Check these bad boys out. Search them. They're fantastic. This isn't the color I use. I'll drop below what color I use. I caught every single fish today on that, punching it. Scott caught everything on the bobber, his night crawlers. But once again, congratulations to our giveaway winner. If you guys want to know when we're doing more giveaways, you guys need to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when new videos drop. We'll be doing another video probably next week on next Monday. Scott and I are going to get together, talk about what we're giving away. I'll announce it. Guys, once again, thanks for coming along. Thanks for tuning in. Scott, any words as we head out of here for the day?
I'm going to go ahead and drop something on you. Possibility. Be on the lookout. Might get some Double F merch coming.
That's right.
So,
Scotty knows somebody.
I got a guy.
He's got a guy.
Might get some shirts.
We want some shirts. Ooh. Ooh, Scotty's getting another bite. We're gonna might get some merch though. But once again, Scotty, give him a fist bump real quick. I know you're focusing. Let's get out of here, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along. Peace.